I am personally over the train. I want to be on the ground that doesn't sway and bob. I want to be in my hotel room, and I think I want to buy a bottle of wine and drink it quickly, but I don't know. We'll see. Wine normally brings my mood up quickly, and then I normally get a headache, but it's worth it. We'll see. Probably not. I really just want to be in our hotel room. I want to be comfortable and stationary for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then probably wander the streets of Chicago and dodge bullets. No, that doesn't really happen. We're in the gentrified section.
We're in one of the most opulent parts, any part of the United States. It's called the Magnificent Mile, but no one's going to get shot. There's going to be nothing but white people there.
That's so true. But we'll see. Nothing we've expected to go any way we expected actually went that way. So, who knows? Maybe it won't be as gentrified as we think. Or maybe I got a hotel room in the wrong place and have just been looking at the wrong information the whole time. Stranger things have happened. Yeah, wish us luck on the last 40 minutes of this epic train ride. It's been 48 hours of excruciating pain, only lifted by a wonderful person named Janell. And we will make sure she gets all kinds of wonderful accolades.
And it wasn't.
And it was great. It was wonderful. And gummies are delicious. I'll just say it.